The biggest barrier to racing isn't your fitness level. It's choosing an event that matches your risk tolerance and bank account. You ride 3 to 5 times a week. You love the sport, your fitness is peaking, and you're wondering, should I pin on a number this season? Racing provides something solo riding rarely does: absolute structure. Having an event on your calendar forces consistency, pushes your limits, and builds incredible community. But it brings costs and stress. Let's talk about the 2025 financial reality. Between USA cycling licenses, high entry fees, and travel, racing isn't cheap. Local races are affordable, but marquee events demand a real budget. Then there's the physical risk. Local criterium races are fast, aggressive, and notorious for crashes. If you have to be at your desk Monday morning, crits are a massive gamble. To minimize risk while maximizing the experience, you must pick the right format. Gran Fondos and gravel races spread the pack out quickly, making them much safer entry points than traditional road racing. Take a 2025 event like SBT GRVL. You're racing against the clock and the terrain more than other riders. It entirely strips away the tactical anxiety of tight bunch riding. Before pulling the trigger on registration, ask yourself these 5 questions. Are you motivated by external deadlines? Can you handle the costs? And most importantly, will pressure ruin the joy of riding? If you answered yes, realize you don't need to quit your job to train. A focused 3 to 5 days a week is plenty for most recreational categories. The biggest hidden benefit of racing is the physiological adaptation. Having a deadline shifts your riding from random miles to purposeful intervals. Even if you finish last, your fitness will peak. You don't need to race to be a real cyclist. But if you thrive on structure and crave community, pinning on a number might just transform your entire season. Ride your race at your pace.